Hello, yes. So myself, Satyanarayana, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, working at SRR Government Arts and Science College, Karimnagar, Telangana, India. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to derive equation of a sphere in this class. We are going to find equation of the sphere if we are given the 4 points and 3 points and a plane. In both cases, we find the equation of the sphere. Here is the question. Find the equation of the sphere through the 4 points 0, 0, 0 and minus ABC, A minus B, C, A, B minus C. The 4 points are given. Among these, one is the origin. So let us take equation of a sphere in the general form, that is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. I have taken in general form and substituting the given points in this equation. When we substitute the first point 0, 0, 0, we get d equal to 0. You substitute, you replace x, y, z by 0, you get 0 square plus 0 square plus 0 square plus 2u into 0 plus 2v into 0 plus 2w into 0 plus d equal to 0. So these all terms are 0 except to d, implies d equal to 0. So we get d equal to 0. In the equation 1, there are 4 unknowns. One is u and v and w, d. The d is 0. So remaining 3 unknowns are there. So our job is to find the values of 3 unknowns. Next, substitute minus a, b, c, the second point in the equation 1. We get here it is minus a square. Of course, both are same. A square or minus a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ua minus 2ua plus 2vb plus 2wc equal to 0. So simplifying a square plus b square plus c square. These are a square plus b square plus c square. Shifting to right side. So minus of a square plus b square plus c square. The remaining terms are minus 2ua minus 2vb minus 2wc. So these are the terms which are in the left side. So this is equation 2. Similarly, substituting a minus bc. So we get a square plus b square minus c square 2ua minus 2v into minus b minus 2vb 2wc. So here a square plus b square plus c square, shifting to right side. and the remaining left side terms are 2UA minus 2VB 2VC equal to minus of A square plus B square plus C square. This is equation 3, equation 2 and equation 3. Next we will use fourth point, A, B minus C. We get equation 4. Substitute A, B minus C in equation 1. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2UA, of course this is minus C square, both are same, 2UA 2VB minus 2WC equal to 0, implies shifting A square plus B square plus C square to the right side, we get 2UA 2VB minus 2WC equal to minus of A square plus B square plus C square. So we have three equations, the equation 2, equation 3 and equation 4. In the three equations we have three variables, U, V and W. These three equations are enough to find the values of U, V, W. Okay, here are three equations, equation 2, 3 and 4. Okay, taking second equation and third equation and observe the left side are, one second. Okay, the left side terms in the equation 2 and 3, some of terms have negative terms, some of the positive terms in these two equations. If we add these two equations, U term minus 2UA plus 2UA get cancelled, 2VB minus 2VB get cancelled, only we have W terms in the two equations. So adding second equation and third equation, we get these two cancelled, these two also get cancelled, 2WC 4WC equal to minus of A square plus B square plus C square. Here it is a 1, here is a 1, so both are adding 2, we get minus 2 into A square plus B square plus C square, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. So W equal to minus 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2, minus 1 by C into A square plus B square plus C square. So among V, U, W, we get one variable value W, that is minus 1 by C into A square plus B square plus C square. Similarly, adding third equation and fourth equation. So observe third and fourth. So 2UA plus 2UA, 4UA minus 2VB plus 2VB plus WC minus WC get cancelled. Finally, left side 2UA plus 4UA, and the right side minus 2 into a square plus b square plus c square, and u equal to minus 1 by 2a square plus b square plus c square. So taking next 4 equations, that is first and last equation, and adding these 2 equations, we get similarly we get v equal to minus 1 by b a square plus b square plus c square. Here also we have done 2 plus 4. Finally we get v. So d is 0, we find already d equal to 0. Here w is there, u is there, and v is there. Substituting all these values in the standard form, equation 1, that is x square plus y square z square plus 2ux 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. Substituting all the 4 values, we get x square plus y square plus z square, 2x, here u is minus 1 by 2a, here u is minus 1 by 2a, a square plus b square plus c square. Next 2y, and v equal to, replace v by minus 1 by 2b, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2z, and w replaced by minus 1 by 2c, a square plus b square plus c square, a square plus b square plus c square. Here d is 0. I have not mentioned 0. Did not mention 0. Okay. Equal to 0. So simplifying these equation, observe that in the last 3 terms we have denominator a, b, c respectively, and we multiply to cancel these a, b, c's. In the denominator we multiply entire equation by a, b, c. So multiplying by a, b, c, both sides, a, b, c into x square plus y square plus z square. Here a, b, c, a get cancelled, the remaining b, c minus b, c, a square plus b square plus c square. Similarly b cancelled, remaining minus ac into a square plus b square plus c square into y. In last term cc get cancelled, so minus ab into a square plus b square plus c square into z equal to 0. So this is our required equation. Okay, we will go to the next problem. Find the equation of the sphere passing through the origin and the points 1 0 0 0 2 0 and 0 0 3. Of course, this is very similar to previous problem and also passing through origin. So as usual, let the equation of required sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0, taken in a standard form. Okay. So if we substitute 0 0 0 in place of x y z in the as in the previous problem, we get d equal to 0, and substituting 1 0 0, x is 1 square 1, y is 0, z is 0, 0 square 0 square 0 0, 2u into 1 2u, and x y are 0 and d is also 0. Finally we get 2u plus 1 plus 2u equal to 0, and 2u equal to minus 1, here it is minus, and u equal to minus 1 by 2. So take a substituting next point 0 2 0. So here x is 0 0 square 0, y is 2 2 square 4, and z is 0 0 square 0, 2u x is 0, so 2vy, y is 2 2 to the 4v, and z coefficient is 0, so d is 0. Finally we get 4 plus 4v equal to 0, then 4v equal to minus 4 implies v equal to 1. So coming to next point 0 0 3, x is 0, y is 0, z is 3, x square 0 square 0, y square 0, z square 3 square 9, 2u into x, x is 0, so term became 0, here y is 0, 2vy 0, z is 3, 2wz, 2 3 is 6, w, d is 0 equal to 0. 6w plus 9 or 9 plus 6w equal to 0, w equal to minus 9 by 6, so 3 2s are 3 3s are, that is minus 3 by 2, so w is a minus 3 by 2. So finally we have d equal to 0 and v equal to minus 1, w equal to minus 3 by 2, and u equal to minus 1 by 2. Substituting these values in the given equation, here it is the equation 1, replace u, v, w, d by these values, we get x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into u minus 1 by 2, 2 to get cancelled, 2v is minus 1, y, 2w, z, w is 3 by 2, d is 0 equal to 0, then x square plus y square plus z square, here it is minus x minus 2y minus 3z, So this is our required sphere. Okay. So next, so this is a problem which is not similar to the previous two. Here we are given 3 points, sphere passes through the 3 points, and the center of the sphere lies on the line. So ఇక్కడ four concepts are given. 3 is the 4 concepts or 4 hints, you can say hints. 4 hints are given to find the required circle, the required sphere. The 3 are points and 1 is the equation of a plane, not a line, equation of a plane. So as usual, we are taking the equation of the sphere in general form, that is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. So ఇక్కడ 3 points are given. We are going to substitute 3 points in the equation 1. Then we get 3 equations. First we substitute 1 minus 3, 4 in the equation 1. So x is 1 square 1, minus 3 square 9, z square, that is 4, z square 16, plus 2u is 1, sorry, x is 1, replace xyz by 1 minus 3, 4, 2u minus 2v, y is minus 3, therefore minus 6v, 18 to w, z is 4, so 2 4 is 8, plus d equal to 0. On simplification, 2u minus 6v plus 8w plus d, and here constants are now 1 plus 9 10 plus 16 26, and shifting to right side we have minus 26. 2u minus 6v plus 8w plus d equal to 0. This is equation having u, v, w and d as variables. Similarly, taking next point 1 5 minus 5 2 and substituting this 1 5 minus 2 in the equation 1, we get x square 1 square, 25 minus 5 square and 4 2 square, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux, x is 1, plus 2vy, here it is minus 2 minus 5 is a minus 10v, 4w, 4 to the 8, sorry 2 to the 4 plus d equal to 0. So 22u minus 10v plus 4w plus d, and constants are 26 plus 4 30, shifting to right side it became minus 30. Okay. This is the third equation. So last point 1 minus 3 0, substitute is in the equation 1, 1 square minus 3 square, 0 square 0, 2u into x, x is 1, 2 into v, y is minus 3, so minus 6v. Here z is 0, 2wz became 0 plus d equal to 0. 2u minus 6v plus d, constant terms are 1 plus 9, 10, shift into right side, minus 10. So 2u minus 6v plus d equal to 10. So equation 2, equation 3 and equation 4. We need one more equation to solve uv, solve for uv wd. For that, so we use the last hint or last clue that the center of the sphere lies on the plane. Here plane is given. What is the center of the sphere? Center is minus u, formula minus u minus v minus w, minus u minus v minus w. Here is the center, and the center lies on the plane x plus y plus z equal to 0. So once the point C lies on the plane, we substitute these, we get identical. Left side and right side both are identical. So here substituting minus u minus v minus z. So minus u minus v minus u minus u minus v equal to 0. Substituting this minus u minus v minus w in the equation, we get minus u minus v minus w equal to 0. So taking minus a common, u plus v plus w equal to 0. This is equation 5. So we have equation 2, equation 3, equation 4, equation 5. And observe, in the equation 5 we don't have w, in the equation 5 we don't have d. So taking two equations and eliminating d. First taking second and third equation. So go to second equation. Here it is 2u minus 6v plus 8w plus d equal to minus 26. I have taken here, and go to third equation, 2u minus 10v plus 4w plus d equal to minus 30. Here 2u, here 2u. So the terms are same. If we subtract, these terms will be cancelled. So that's why I'm taking 2 minus 3, changing the symbols of second equation, minus plus minus minus plus 2u minus 2u cancel, minus 6 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4v, 8 minus 4 4v, d also get cancelled. 26 plus 30, that is 4. So taking 4 both sides as a common and cancelling, we get u plus v plus u plus v equal to 1. So we get a new equation having v plus w equal to 1. Okay, u plus v, v plus w equal to 1, that is equation 6. Similarly, I am taking fourth and third equations. Go to fourth and third equations. In fourth and third equations also we have 2u. So our my aim is actually my main goal is to eliminate first d also, but luckily u is also eliminated. The primary goal is to eliminate d first. So 4 minus 3. Here fourth equation is 2u minus 6v plus d. u minus 6v plus d equal to minus 10. And the next fourth equation is 2u minus 6v. Okay, third equation is 2u minus 10v plus 4w plus d equal to 30. Here I have taken 3 minus 4. So we can do 4 minus 3 or 3 minus 4. Here it is 3 minus 4. So subtracting, also subtracting, two symbols, changing symbols, plus minus, d get cancelled, 4w minus 10 plus 6 minus 4 u turn get cancelled, minus 2v, taking 2 as a common and cancelling both sides, minus 2v, 2w equal to minus 10. Next, solving equation 6 and 7. Sixth equation, v plus w equal to 1, and the seventh equation minus 2v plus 2w equal to minus 10. So multiplying sixth equation by 2, that is 2v, 2w equal to 2, and taken seventh equation as this, and adding these two equations, 2v minus 2v get cancelled, 2w plus 2w equal 4w, 2 minus 10 minus 8, then w equal to minus 2. So substituting w equal to minus 2 in the previous equation, v plus w equal to 1, v plus w equal to 1, and replace w by minus 2, v minus 2 equal to 1, and v equal to 3. And from equation 5, in the equation 5 we have u also. So we are selecting an equation having w, v and u. Don't go to d. Why? Because we don't know d value yet. So for this we have selected the fifth equation, u plus v plus w, u plus v plus w equal to 0. Yeah, u plus v plus w equal to 0, and substitute v equal v is 3 and w is minus 2, equal to 0. Then u equal to 3 minus 2 1, taking to right side minus 1, u equal to minus 1, and select another equation to find the value of d. We choose the equation having d. So go to the first equations, third, 2, 3, 4. Choose any one, but I am selecting 4. Why? Because the fourth one is very simple comparing to second and third equations. So I have selected fourth equation, that is, what is the equation? 2u minus 6v plus d equal to 10. 2u minus 6v plus d equal to 10. Substituting u and v values, we get d equal to minus 2. So substitute uv w values in the equation of sphere in standard form. X square plus y square plus z square, 2ux plus 2vy, 2wz plus d equal to 0. So substitute uvw, we get the equation x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 6y minus 4z plus 10 equal to 0. So this is our required equation of this sphere. Next, here is the one more problem, which is very similar to the previous problem. So 3 points are given. The sphere, required sphere, passes through the points, 3 points, and having center on the plane, 2x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 6. As usual, taking equation of the sphere in general form, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. So substituting these 3 points, 3 0 2, 3 0 2 and minus 1 1 1, 2 minus 5 4, we get second equation, third equation and fourth equation. Okay. So second, third, fourth, in these equations we have u, v, w and d. So in the first step we are going to eliminate d by taking two equations from second, third, fourth equations. First I selected, before that I want to make one more equation. This is 2x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 6. This is the equation of plane, and having center of our required sphere. The center is minus u. The formula for center, minus u minus v minus w. Okay, and substitute these center minus u minus v minus w in the equation, we get the equation 5. But now we are considering the equation 5. We consider equation 5 in step 2. In step 1 we are going to eliminate the variable d from the equations sorry, second, third, fourth. Taking second and third equation and subtracting, so d get cancelled. The remaining equation is minus 4u plus v minus w equal to 5, and 3 and 4 equations subtracting, we get minus u plus 2v minus w equal to 7. Okay, we have 6 and 7 equations, new equations, and in the equations we don't have d, only u, v, w terms are present. So here u, v, w, 3 variables are there. We need 3 equations to solve the 3 variables. So here 2 equations, 6 and 7, and this is 5th equation. In step 2 we are going to eliminate any one of the u, v, w using equations 5, 6 and 7, and using 6, 7 I have eliminated w. So the generated equation is 3u plus v equal to 2, and taking 5th 7th equation I got minus 2u plus 11v equal to 22. Okay, I have eliminated w in the two equations 8 and 9. In step 3, now we eliminate u or v, anyone, and v is eliminated. Step 3, using these last two equations 8 and 9, we eliminate u, and multiplying by 11 the equation 8 eliminated v, then we get u equal to 0, and substitute u equal to 0 in the equation 8, then we get v equal to 2. U is 0, we get v equal to 2. uv value substitute in the equation 7, that is go to equation 7. What is the equation 7? Minus u plus 2v minus w equal to 7. Minus w equal to 7. We get w equal to minus 3, and taking equation 2 and substituting uvw, we get d equal to 1. Finally, we got uvwd, and substitute these values in the given equation of sphere in standard form, we get the equation of required sphere. Okay, thank you viewers.